Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am in Verona, Italy at the Progetto Fuoco. So it is 2020, and this show actually happens only every 2 years. So this is pretty cool opportunity. The show is crazy compared to our North American HPBA. So this particular show has 9 different buildings, all full of solid fuel appliances. So solid fuel is basically going to be wood, coal, and pellet appliances. In North America, our show is literally only 1 building, and our show has pretty much been dominated with outdoor products. So basically a lot of like barbecues and outdoor furniture. So this is a great opportunity. I'm gonna take you guys around the show, show you the different products that are available in Europe. I'm here to find new products to import into North America. So as I show you guys products, please don't forget to leave us comments in our video comments below. Let me know what you guys like, what you don't, what kind of colors you guys enjoy, what colors you don't enjoy. The styles in Europe are definitely a lot different than North America, but they have a lot of cool things, and I'm really interested in importing more products and just making more products available to you guys.
Look at these awesome stoves. There are just seriously so many products that we cannot get in North America due to the EPA. Okay guys, check out the glass viewing area on this. Massive. Very Victorian, very ornate, a lot of attention to detail. Kind of like steampunk style. What do you guys think? It's kind of all glass, shiny front. This is going to be a cooker model. Pretty contemporary. Nice rounded corners. What do you think? Something you'd be interested in or not? Lenortica's got a pretty large booth going on. They definitely kind of dominate here. Lenortica also has a ton of other models that unfortunately aren't available in North America, but it's pretty cool to see. Check them out. So this show is unique because literally it's huge. I think that there's 9 buildings, okay? This is like just building one in one little corner. Articolor. This is kind of similar to the Rizzoli that we have. It's a little bit wider, but I'm curious, what do you guys think about this? This has got white and bronze on it. I think it's a pretty nice color choice. What do you think? Is this something you guys would be interested in? More soapstone with stainless steel, kind of a different look. These bronze doors though. What do you guys think? Really like this bronze. This is super cute. Love the gold accents. Does have a pretty tiny little firebox though. Tiny, but cute. I get a lot of demand for this antique style. All right, so we have hit the boilers. Here we have Wiesmann. There are so many European boilers with such high technology that unfortunately just aren't available here in the United States due to EPA regulations. But still pretty cool to come and check it out. Here we have Windhagger. We do have a couple models of the Windhagger for pellet units that are available for sale in North America. Here we have the Vescovi line. Nice red accents on the tiling, gold bars. What do you guys think about this? Red seems to be fading out in North America. I prefer the gold accents. I just really like it, but what do you guys think? Is this a product you'd be interested in? Also by the Vescovi line. This one is pretty nice. I like that it's got big tall doors on it. cast iron with the ceramic panels. It's a little bit different than the other ones we have because it has nice curved edges, kind of gives it more of a contemporary look. What do you guys think? Interested or not? Okay, what do you guys think of this cute little cast iron stove? This one's gonna come standard with the firebox on the left-hand side. This is a full cast iron stove. This is made by Verona, which is a German company. Kind of nice cast iron details on the side, nice tall legs. I don't know, I think this is pretty cute. What do you guys think? So here we have Invicta, which is Invicta's from France, but they do have some pretty cool cast iron stoves that we sell in North America as well. Guys, look at this cute little cast iron stove made in Sweden. It does have a copper water reservoir. Nice tall legs. I've had some demand for stoves that look like this. I think they're super cute. Downfall. Oh man, look at how tiny the firebox is. So small, twig fire, but so cute. All right, this is the Domanicore booth. So the Domino 6, this is available in North America. Nice color choice. Stainless steel doors, gray side panels. They also have this green color and the blue. What do you guys think of these colors? These bright colors are super popular here in Europe. Domanicore, we can special order in any color. So pretty much we just stock the black models with the stainless steel doors. But again, anything can be ordered. All right, this is the Domino 8. This is the Maxi. This is the stove burning. You can tell it burns very clean, very hot. Nice flame.
If you guys do like our videos, if you like seeing these shows, like seeing my travels, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, spread them like wildfire on the internet. Don't forget to click subscribe to our channel to get all of our latest updated videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, for your loyal and continued support. God bless. Have a wonderful day.